Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add pins to Pinterest board. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Pinterest app. Then right here tap at your profile picture to open up your Pinterest profile, and then just get into some of your boards. If you don't have a board, just hit at that plus sign and create it. So I'm just gonna enter test board, and now in order to add new pins here, all you have to do is just tap at that plus sign and select pin. That shows you photos from your camera roll. You can hit right here where it says all photos to select some particular album. I'm just gonna select girls, and then you are able to choose any photo in that way and then hit at next. Then you can give a title for this photo, a description, and also you can attach a link. Once you did that, just hit at next. As you can see, I have just created the pin and I have added it to that particular board. In any time you can hold down at that pin and select among that options. The first one is save, the second is edit, so you can just move your finger at that pencil icon, then you can lift off your finger, and then you can add a title or edit it, change the description, change the board, and change the websites. Also, you can allow or disallow comments and advanced settings. Then you can go out of here and hit at done to save those changes, and also from here you are able to delete this pin. If you want to reorder your pins, you can hold down at some pin, select this option, which is called select or reorder, and then you are able to hold down at these two lines to change the order of your pins. Once you have finished with that, you can just close that editor mode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Pinterest tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.